Wealthy individuals do not just earn more money, they manage it differently. Their approach to saving and investing is based on long-term strategies that grow wealth over time. They do not rely on luck, but on discipline, knowledge, and smart financial decisions. If you want to build real wealth, you need to adopt their mindset and habits. In this video, you will learn how to save and invest money like the wealthy. Stay until the end, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more powerful financial insights. 1. Pay yourself first and automate savings. The wealthy do not save what is left after spending. They save first. Before paying any bills or expenses, they set aside a percentage of their income for savings and investments. This habit ensures that their wealth grows consistently over time. Automating savings is one of the easiest ways to do this. Setting up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or an investment portfolio eliminates the temptation to spend. Even if you start with a small percentage, consistency will make a big difference. Wealth is built by prioritizing savings, not by hoping there is money left at the end of the month. The earlier you start, the faster your money will grow through compound interest. 2. Invest in assets that generate passive income. The wealthy do not just save money, they make their money work for them. Instead of keeping all their cash in a bank, they invest in assets that generate income. Real estate, dividend stocks, and businesses are common choices. These investments provide steady cash flow without constant effort. The goal is to create multiple income streams that grow over time. When your money starts earning money, wealth building becomes automatic. Start by researching assets that fit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Even small investments can compound into significant wealth over time. The key is to focus on assets that provide long-term financial security, not just quick returns. 3. Avoid debt that does not make you money. Wealthy individuals understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. They use debt strategically to buy assets that generate income, like rental properties or business investments. However, they avoid consumer debt that drains their wealth, such as high-interest credit cards and unnecessary loans. Paying interest on liabilities makes it harder to grow wealth over time. Instead of financing a lifestyle, focus on financing investments. If you have high-interest debt, prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. Every dollar spent on interest is money that could have been invested. Learning to manage debt wisely is a critical step toward financial independence. 4. Think long-term, not short-term. Wealthy people do not chase quick profits or fall for get-rich-quick schemes. They understand that real wealth is built over decades, not days. They invest with a long-term perspective, focusing on steady growth rather than risky speculation. The stock market, real estate, and businesses all reward patience. Compounding works best over time, which is why starting early is crucial. Instead of constantly buying and selling, wealthy investors stay consistent and let their investments grow. Market downturns do not scare them because they know that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Adopt a mindset of long-term wealth accumulation and you will see better results. 5. Always have an emergency fund. Even the wealthy prepare for financial setbacks. They know that unexpected expenses can happen at any time. Having an emergency fund protects their investments from being disrupted. This fund is typically 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, kept in a safe and accessible account. Without an emergency fund, people are forced to dip into investments or take on debt during financial hardships. Building this safety net gives you peace of mind and financial stability. Start small if needed, but make it a priority. The ability to handle emergencies without touching your investments is a key principle of wealth management. 6. Minimize taxes and maximize wealth. The wealthy understand that taxes can take a huge portion of their income if not managed properly. They use legal strategies to minimize taxes, such as investing in tax-advantaged accounts like 400 and Onyx, IRAs, and HSAs. They also take advantage of real estate deductions, business write-offs, and capital gains strategies. Every dollar saved on taxes is another dollar that can be invested. Learning how to optimize taxes is a crucial part of building wealth. Consult financial professionals or educate yourself on tax strategies that can benefit you. The less you pay in unnecessary taxes, the more you can invest for the future. 7. Continuously increase your financial knowledge. The wealthy never stop learning about money. They read books, follow market trends, and seek advice from experts. They understand that financial knowledge is one of the most valuable assets they can have. The more you know, the better financial decisions you will make. Study investment strategies, personal finance, and economic trends. Avoid financial mistakes by learning from others who have built wealth successfully. Staying educated helps you adapt to changes in the market and take advantage of new opportunities. The more informed you are, the more control you have over your financial future. 8. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Your financial habits are influenced by the people around you. The wealthy build networks of successful, financially smart individuals. They exchange ideas, learn from each other, and support each other's goals. If you spend time with people who are careless with money, their habits will affect you. Surround yourself with those who understand wealth building and financial discipline. Join investment groups, attend finance seminars, or find mentors who can guide you. Being in the right environment will push you to think bigger and make smarter financial choices. The people you associate with can either build or break your financial future. 9. Invest in yourself before anything else. The best investment you can make is in your own skills and knowledge. The wealthy prioritize self-improvement because they know that income follows value. Learning high-income skills, improving your expertise, and expanding your career opportunities will increase your earning potential. Whether through education, certifications, or personal development, investing in yourself pays the highest returns. Your ability to generate income is the foundation of wealth building. Focus on continuous growth, and your financial success will naturally follow. The more valuable you become, the easier it will be to create wealth. 10. Take action and stay consistent. Knowing how to build wealth is not enough. You have to take action. Many people learn about saving and investing, but never implement what they know. The wealthy succeed because they apply their knowledge and stay consistent. Even small, consistent efforts lead to massive financial growth over time. Start where you are and build momentum. Saving, investing, and making smart financial decisions should become daily habits. The earlier you start, the greater your results will be. Financial freedom is not about luck. It is about taking action and staying disciplined. The sooner you start, the sooner you will see the results. Wealth building is not reserved for the rich. It is a mindset and a set of habits anyone can develop. By prioritizing savings, investing wisely, and thinking long-term, you can create financial security and independence. Adopt these strategies, stay disciplined, and watch your money grow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more financial success tips.